The first thing that we always need to bring up when we talk about FOMO is that you have to remind yourself that this isn't something that just you are struggling with. All of us, every person that's actively trading struggles to some extent with that fear of missing out, that feeling of, oh, there's something moving, I need to be in that. So what you need to do is, instead of trying to just block that feeling out and ignore it, accept that we all feel it because it's human nature, and just don't let it control the decisions that you make. So how do you do that? To me, I think you have to just make a couple of simple choices. Number one is that you want to find a system, a rule set that you can use that's proven profitable, because that's where you can then allocate real capital. I have a demo account. I think a lot of traders still have demo accounts, and I use that demo account to take trades that don't fit that edge. If I'm looking at silver and I see risk reward on silver, maybe I'll take that trade on my demo account. But I'll also mark up the trade, take a markup of it, and document what I'm seeing, because that can then build another strategy. That could be another edge that I'm seeing. But because it's not tested and behind that original set of rules, that original system that we know to be profitable, it doesn't get real capital. So that's the first decision. It's to have a system of rules and commit to only putting your real hard-earned money behind those rules, and make sure that the rules are tested.